Thoughts on digital. My furnace is running, as you'll hear in the background, and that's fine. That's appropriate because it's a noisy ass racket. This frequency, that's fine. I like that. Uh, in my dream world, you could go down to the 75 mark, which is called a frequency. We're looking at a frequency. And the only reason I'm being an a-hole like that is because in QST magazine they published their little glossary of terms at the end of their main articles. When I saw the word coax and feedline listed, I no longer renewed my subscription. It was no longer the magazine for me. Let's listen to some signals. Let's talk digital. Listen. Right? Now he's an S9, and given their incredibly efficient mode, he's probably running, oh, let's be reasonable, 20 watts in the Sudan. He was a little louder. I'll bet he's in Europe running maybe, 5 watts, 10 watts. You want to listen to that shit while you're trying to copy a beautifully melodic CW signal? I don't think so. Maybe you do. I don't. So, let's get out of the glare of the screen because I'm using a horrible phone. I'm using my pocket typewriter as a camera. So, I suggest giving the digital heads between 70, 75, and 7125, designating that as digital mode only, no keyed carrier, no CW. They get it all to themselves. Now let me make another suggestion. No more automated contacts count as a valid contact. If you don't manually intervene with your computer or your computing device, it is not a contact. Your computer might acknowledge a CQ with a report that it's generated. That's not a QSO. That's not a contact. I say that if you lay hands on your tablet or your phone or your laptop and you take manual intervention to cause that QSO to complete, good for you, man. You've got yourself a digital contact. But automated worked all states, automated DXCC, yeah, I think not. Just my opinion. 73.